I chose the advanced machining program here at Mitchell Tech, given the fact that I had already done the welding one first, and I wanted to expand my knowledge in that same field to give me more opportunities come time for employment to be able to make me more employable.
I like the ability to create things just from basic materials. I like the precision. Mostly I do it just because I enjoy working with metal, kind of bending it to my will. But when I finished my second year of welding, I discovered that we had a very extensive machining program going here as well, and I figured I'd go for that. And I definitely do not regret making that decision.
My favorite thing to do so far has been working on the mills, and we have SolidWorks program that we can go in and program things to make different parts.
Working with the CAM software, working on the laser cutter, the plasma cutter, setting up the machines, the TL1s, the lathes, they're a lot of fun to work with.
Personally, I do enjoy the laser cutting and the plasma table side, just because the opportunities are endless of what you can and cannot do.
I got the hands-on experience with the machining side of it, and then I also get the computer side of it with all the programming stuff for the second year of SCADA.
It definitely is a good program to get into because the instructors really care about the students.
So I chose to come to Mitchell Tech. It just felt right. Instructors were great, atmosphere was amazing. I mean, shops are great, can't complain about that.
Be the best at Mitchell Tech.